Hello my beautiful people. So I am here to say sorry because I've been lost from your feed for the longest time, and it's because I was setting my bar too high that I couldn't actually manage to do that. So I wanted my videos to be so clean but na find like I'm taking so long to edit. Kama kuna video fulani ya makeup, I didn't even edit it the right way, but imagine I'm just gonna flow with whatever we have right now. That's what we're gonna do. I wanted to be making videos kama so today I'm gonna be trying unaona videos kama za Raymond Kahuma and kina nani, kina Pearson and kina Ryan Trehan. Like I was setting my bar too high that I couldn't sikuwa na manage kufikia, and ilikuwa inafanya nisi post more, but I'm back to my authentic self. Kama hakuna ma edits mingi, just find me with authenticity, just hang out with me. Like I think no, I'm not gonna rename the channel, it's just gonna stay the way it is. So I was thinking of renaming it to Hang Out with Dance, but you're literally hanging out with Dance without even renaming it, Cindy. Anyway, so yesterday night, I spent most of yesterday night undoing my hair. But sijamaliza, and here, this is what we have so far. I have to set this phone somewhere down. This is what we have. Damn, nimeingia kwa jicho. So nimemaliza huku mbele, but huku nyuma bado. Can you see? Huku nyuma bado sijamaliza. And I have like so many, okay, it's not like so many clothes, but I wanted to clean my clothes and also clean my house. But I don't know if I'm gonna manage to do that. But right now I want to focus on kufumua huku nyuma, nimalize and nijue nywele nishamaliza kufumua. Yeah, breakfast. I took my breakfast at around 5. I took some dark coffee na nikaenda kulala. Like, why does coffee not work? Like most of the time unapatanga mtu anakunywa coffee sana back in high school, unakunywa coffee and the coffee is not working like at all. It's like doing the opposite. I took coffee and then went straight to bed. Like yo, na nilikula na some ngumu, so I think I'm gonna snack on this ngumu right here. Let me show you. Right here. Alafu I don't know why my area is just so disorganized. I'm even ashamed of showing it to you guys. I hope you won't judge me. Should I really show it to you? Why not? Let me just show it to you. Inakaa vibaya, like kuna hii maji ya kukunywa, kuna hizi like guy akimi na surviving it na God, cause one day I'm clean, one day I'm not. Like one day I'm organized, one day like everything is everywhere that it wants to be. Na imagine nakunywa. And today I want us also to try to kutengeneza sugar wax. I wanna wax. Okay, sina niko na tunywele lakini si mob, but I wanna try waxing on my own, like kwa nyumba. We are gonna try that also. So let me do a time lapse nikimaliza ku undo the hair. We see how long it's gonna take. What time it is? It's 11:04 a.m. Let's see how long it takes to undo this, and I'm gonna undo while watching Power. They say this is a big rich town. Sijashika wimbo bado. I'm done undoing the hair. I kind of figured out like undoing the hair is not something so interesting to like film, so I didn't film. Alafu I have something nasikia uchungu kwa hii kaka ya juu towards this side. I don't know why I'm feeling that kind of sensation, like uchungu. So right now I'm so hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Like niko njaa, I can either decide to cook or go get food from outside. But if I get food from outside, haitatosha like for long. I was thinking of making pilau. The sugar thing, I don't think I'm gonna make it today because I feel, number one, I feel so hungry, number two, I feel so sleepy. So that's the goal. But the house is so dirty, so I'll first of all clean the house. No, I don't know what to do. They say it's a big rich town.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
I'm gonna go get the food first because I just can't continue in an empty stomach. What shall we eat? What shall we eat?
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm done cleaning the house. Nimebakia tu kupanga. This how kunakaa. Ni kusafi but alright. This how kunakaa. Ni kusafi but hakujapangwa. Aya, tupange in 1 2 3 go. So I finished cleaning the house and organizing, and now I feel the space is so good. And apparently kumeshako usiku. I actually rested before nimalizie, like nilikuwa na rest. Alafu hii part yenye niko na nasikia nikaa niko na tu tu shimo. I don't understand why, but yeah, nasikia nimechoka guys, so I won't be speaking much. I'll just show you the food and then we shall end the vlog there. Thank you for sticking around. I'm not sure if this video is actually long. It's short, but well, I shall make better content next time. Now I have everything here. I have my pilau. Although if I made it, I'm pretty sure I would have made it better. Nimewambiwa uniekee supu cause ya kumeza. Sisiki kutengeneza kachumbari or anything. I'll just eat this, drink some water, and take a piece of banana. That's gonna be my dinner. Yeah. Bye. I'm still watching Power. Bye.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.